Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices so they can see each other. On your phone, turn Bluetooth on and set it to discoverable. This lets the laptop find it. On the laptop, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add or Pair a Device. Windows shows a list, Mac OS shows a menu. Once you start the search on the laptop, you're initiating the handshake that allows secure identification. Make sure Bluetooth radios are within a few meters to avoid signal issues. Once the laptop lists nearby devices, tap your phone's name to begin pairing. This is the central step where both devices exchange credentials. You'll usually see a PIN or code on each screen. Compare them to verify you're connecting to the right device, then accept on both ends. After confirmation, the devices negotiate profiles like file transfer or audio streaming. Grant permissions when prompted so functions work correctly. If you need to send files, choose the appropriate profile or enable file sharing on the phone. After confirming the code and accepting permissions, the devices finalize the link and show as connected on your laptop. Test the connection immediately by sending a small file or playing audio to ensure the correct profile is active. If it fails, try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, or clear previous pairings and try again. These steps often resolve mismatched caches. If problems persist, update Bluetooth drivers or the operating system, and move away from Wi-Fi routers or USB 3. Zero interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.